Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by power cycling and making the first visible checks. First, shut the Xbox 360 down fully, hold the power button for 10 seconds, then unplug the power and wait 30 seconds. This clears transient errors. Next, inspect the disc under good light. Look for deep scratches or sticky residue and gently clean with a lint-free cloth from center outward. Finally, note the console model and game region so you avoid region or firmware conflicts later. Once done with the initial checks, clean the disc and the drive carefully. You should use 70% plus isopropyl alcohol or plain water, wipe from the center outward in straight strokes, and dry with a microfiber cloth. Circular motions can worsen scratches. Then, power off and open the tray or flip the unit. Use short bursts of compressed air to clear dust from the laser area and verify the tray closes smoothly. Finally, test a known working disk and the suspect disk in another Xbox to isolate the issue. You're now at the final actions and a key troubleshooting tip. If basic cleaning failed, consider adjusting the laser potentiometer or sled alignment only if you're experienced. Small, measured turns can help the laser focus, but improper adjustments can break the drive. If that's not feasible, replace the entire optical drive with a matching part number or install a donor drive. Make sure to backup saves first. If problems persist despite these steps, backup data and seek a professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.